Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix League of Legends error code 003 on Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open a browser and then you just need to write something along these lines: League of Legends server status or status, and probably it will be by the first link, status.riotgames.com. Select that, select your language, then select the game, so it will be League of Legends, then select your region and the language, and then if there is some issues related to servers on Riot Games, it will be shown here. And if there is some issues, you just need to wait. You don't need to do here nothing because it is how it goes. But if there is no recent issues or events to report, and you're still getting this error, what you need to do here is to restart your network. So what you need to do here is to just open up settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, then scroll down until you see advanced network settings, then scroll down and you will see network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And also once you do that, then also restart your router as well. Maybe it will help. And if using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do here nothing. After you press reset now, your computer will restart and you don't need to enter any passwords and it should work properly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.